Hey guys, welcome to our phonics lesson. Let's go ahead and get started by looking at our learning target. I can decode and read multisyllabic words that do not follow decoding skill 1 or 2. Okay? So remember, decode means to break it apart. I can break the word apart in order to read multisyllabic words. In order for us to do that, we need to be able to decode the word into syllables. And we need to be able to read the vowel sounds correctly. These words, though, are not going to follow our normal decoding rules, so we have to know how to code these words, okay? All right, so we have been looking at blends that will split. In decoding skill 1, it taught us that blends would stay together. But here are 4 common blends that will split. SC, SK, SP, and ST are 4 common blends that will split, like in sister. All right, whenever we have the prefix miss or dis at the beginning of a word, and it's followed by that consonant that would make it a blend, it will also split, like in misplace or mister, okay? Then we have the digraph GN, which usually says at the beginning or at the end of the word, like in nom or sign. But when that GN comes in the middle of a multisyllabic word, it splits and both of those letters take back their original sound, like in ignite, ignite. We can hear that g and that ignite, okay? Then we talked about special vowel combinations. Remember, those take on those consonants after it, after the vowel NG, NK, LL. They help the vowel to have a new sound. ING says ing, right? Like in the word sing. But when that ING is in a multisyllabic word, it splits, and that ING still has its special vowel sound, like in single, single. But when we have LL after the vowel, like in all, haul, that one syllable word, it stays the same. But then when we add it in a multisyllabic word and we split those 2 consonants in that special vowel combination, it changes the sound of that vowel A and it makes it short, like in the word hallow or valley or gallon, okay? So today you are going to spell some words, okay, that have some of these special decoding rules. So go ahead and get you a piece of paper or a dry erase board, and you are going to have 6 dictation words today. All right, once you have your supplies ready, go ahead and get started. All right, here's the first word. Disturb, disturb. Please do not disturb the sleeping bear. Disturb. Number 2, mistake, mistake. A mistake is proof that you are learning. Mistake. All right, number 3, ignore. Please do not ignore my phone call. Ignore. Okay. Number 4, finger. Finger. I have a finger that I hurt because I closed it in the door. Finger. Number 5, sprinkle. Sprinkle. Please sprinkle some water on the rice before reheating it. Sprinkle. And number 6, fellow. Fellow. My fellow teacher also teaches 2nd grade. Fellow. Okay? All right, now let's go ahead and let's look. Remember that last part of our success criteria is being able to read these words that don't follow that decoding skill 1 and 2, being able to read them when they're alone, when they're in a sentence, or when they're in a passage. So today we're going to focus on reading these when they are in a sentence, okay? All right, yesterday we focused on these first two sentences. So go ahead and reread both of these sentences, and when you're done, I want you to give me a thumbs up. All right, let's read these two sentences. Let's start with sentence number 1. Ready, read. When I ignore my baby sister, she gets angry. Who gets angry when they're ignored? The baby sister. Right? Ready, sentence 2. Read. Aspen misplaced the plastic disco ball by mistake. What was misplaced? The plastic disco ball. Yes. Now let's go ahead and look at this last sentence. I believe this is a new sentence. Remember, these sentences have 2 lines. There we go. It'll let me highlight it. All right, go ahead and read this last sentence. Make sure that you are decoding these words, okay? Quickly decode it and move on to your next word. All right, let's look. So this word has a digraph, a vowel, and a GN and another vowel. When we have that digraph GN in the middle of a multisyllabic word, it splits and both letters have a sound. So we have prognosis, prognosis. All right, let's look at this word here. We have that blend in the middle, so it will split. Tristens, tristens. All right, here we have that special vowel combination A and K, so we split it. Ankle, ankle. Okay, and then here we have a blend that will split. Hospital, hospital. Let's read this sentence. Ready? Read. The prognosis about Tristan's ankle came from the hospital. All right, great job, guys. Awesome hard work. Make sure that when you are coming across these multisyllabic words in your independent reading, that you are practicing these skills of being able to decode it so that you can continue to improve your reading. Bye, guys.